If you've seen this before, then you know it's time to kick the red bucket. Replace the outdated, unsanitary, and unsightly red bucket and towel system with the WipesPlus multitask system. The WipesPlus multitask system is a big win for food safety. The closed bucket and disposable wipe system solves for 3 of the most common health code violations related to sanitizer concentration levels, proper chemical storage, and wiping cloth storage. Additionally, the multitask system helps prevent cross-contamination. On top of that, the WipesPlus multitask system is very easy to use. You use our buckets, our dry wipes, and your existing sanitizing chemical to create your own wet wipes. The WipesPlus multitask system is designed to preserve the efficacy of your sanitizing chemical. You won't have to change out your sanitizer every 3 hours. Instead, your sanitizer will maintain ppm within the effective range for up to 30 days. For a safer, easier, and more effective way to clean, kick the red bucket and make the switch to WipesPlus multitask system.